Hi, I'm Vanessa Friedman with Ergonomic Connection. Today I'm going to talk about different keyboards and how best to use them so we're pain free. So what you want to do, the technique for typing on a keyboard, you really don't want to rest your hands. This is called a wrist rest, to rest your hands, not while you're typing. You'll often see people pressing down and typing here. Well, that puts your wrists in an awkward position. So it's almost like playing a piano. You want to be floating over the keys. And when you're reading your documents, you can rest your wrists. But do a floating technique here. And then also, you've probably seen, this is a straight keyboard, but you've seen keyboards that are split. The idea about that is it's supposed to match the natural size of your shoulders. So for men that have a larger size shoulders, they need a split keyboard because it opens up their chest. If not, they're doing this. They're crunching in because they're working on a little mini keyboard. So those split keyboards allow you to open up and be more in a natural position. I hope this helped. Bye.